Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about authorization. So, authorization is the next step after authentication, and there are different modes that can be used for authorization mode, which has to be supplied via the hyphen hyphen authorization mode flag. So, in this RBAC or whatever the authorization mode you're using, you can specify. And so, first is the node authorization. It is a special type of special purpose authorization that allows the kubelet to perform API operations. Then is the ABAC, which is attribute based access control. So in addition to authorization mode, you also need to specify the attribute based authorization policy file. And this policy file is basically JSON based, and it is where each line is a policy object. And next one is RBAC, which is role based access control. In this, you create a role, then a role binding, then assign it to a particular service account or user. So it has three things, which is at user, verb, and object. So you can define what a user can do on a particular object in Kubernetes cluster. And the next one is the webhook. So webhook is basically an external service that is called by the API server, and then it decides whether the request is allowed or not. So it's a simple HTTP callback that happens whenever something happens. And here also you have to provide the authorization webhook config file. And there are other two modes as well, which is always allow and always deny. So always allow will always allow all the requests, and always deny will deny all the requests. Basically, these two are used in the testing whenever you are doing some sort of testing. So that's on high level authorization looks like, and its different authorization modes. So the API server has to be started with hyphen hyphen authorization mode. That's it for this lecture. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.